Oklahoma's agricultural and food industries have a rich heritage in our state and are a significant portion of our economy. From wheat to cattle, we feed the world. Unfortunately, many of these commodities are currently sent to other states or even other countries for further processing before reaching the consumer's table. However, the Robert M. Kerr Food and Agricultural Products Center, located in Stillwater on the Oklahoma State University campus, is committed to keeping these products, jobs, and dollars in our state. FAPC, established in 1996 through the efforts of the late Senator Robert M. Kerr, provides both small and large businesses with access to professional research and education. Its goal is to stimulate and support growth of value-added agricultural and food processing in Oklahoma. Hi, I'm Jennifer Reynolds. Let's find out how the FAPC can help you. Safety is one of the most critical issues facing processors today. Unwanted pathogen contamination creates liability problems and is also a health risk to the most important person in any company, the customer. That's why the Food and Agricultural Products Center has a major focus on microbial food safety from the farm to the table. Researchers at FAPC can provide detection and identification of foodborne pathogens, shelf life evaluations, and killer inactivate pathogen methods. Clients such as Kelly Foods Company, maker of Bill Jack dog food, use FAPC to help ensure the highest quality of their products.
And when you have high quality, you end up having good nutrition. Have good nutrition, you have healthy animals, and that's what our goal has always been. So we've tried to pursue any way we can to make sure that we can guarantee that quality. And the FAPC has been very helpful in establishing some of the parameters that we needed to have to assure the quality to the finished product that would then produce healthy animals.
Unitherm Food Services, located in Bristow, Oklahoma, was already a leader in custom manufacturing when the company saw a need for pasteurization equipment. FAPC provided the research necessary to expand their business.
The initial process that we brought to market was a post-pasteurization process whereby the product would be put into a final package and then heat treated on the surface to kill any bacteria that might exist there. But again, through the research we did, we realized that that plastic film over the product was protecting the bacteria from seeing all of the heat. And so whilst it was successful, the question was, how could you be more successful? We separately had the infrared system and realized that, this is very successful killing the bacteria on the surface just before packaging. And it came to mind then that if we put both together, pre-pasteurized followed by post-pasteurization, the lethality for the product would be a lot greater. And so the impact it had on food safety was enormous.
The Food and Agricultural Products Center tested their designs and provided suggestions for improvement.
At that time, we were breaking into brand new ground. This is technology that today we have patents on these processes, something that Unitherm didn't have before, and are recognized for having led the world, or I say the world, but at least at this point the US market, into a much safer regime of food. Now, that work wouldn't have been capable by my company without the relationship with the FAPC Center.
Another area of great interest in microbiology is probiotics. Probiotics uses living bacteria cultures to promote the health of both humans and animals. One such research project is examining how these cultures can reduce serum cholesterol. This research has recently been licensed to a commercial firm and is being marketed in South Korea.
Because probiotic cultures are supposed to be very good compared to the antibiotics, and then it will be much the better position or solution for the future, especially for the human health.
Probiotic cultures developed at FAPC are currently being used to control foodborne pathogens, such as E. coli 0157H7, in cattle, as well as increasing feed efficiency in both cattle and swine. More than 1 million cattle are treated with these cultures in the United States. The Food and Agricultural Products Center provides more than just research. FAPC offers a variety of food safety services for implementing good manufacturing practices and standard operating procedures. In addition, FAPC can assist in one of the biggest obstacles facing small businesses, developing a HACCP plan.
They've came to our facility here, and on site they've actually worked with us at getting our HACCP procedures down in a correct method that would be suitable, and of course that would be the safest possible methods for human consumption of the foods.
Emu and ostrich processor EPMI needed a HACCP plan for USDA certification. FAPC was able to guide them through the numerous governmental guidelines.
Kind of showed us what's going on. It showed us, from A to Z on stuff, really, this is for this, kind of broke it down in easier detail.
FAPC provided an on-site evaluation for the initial plans, as well as ongoing workshops in Stillwater to keep employees updated.
Keeping the small businesses like ourselves, abreast of all the different new laws that are coming into effect, and without them it would be almost impossible for a small company to really make it successful.
The results are Oklahoma businesses can remain more competitive in the marketplace.
I would say that post-pasteurization and pre-pasteurization are about 60% of our order book today. So you could shrink our company by 60% if you took that away. And certainly we would not have developed those machines had we not have been able to use the FAPC lab.
If you have a product you'd like to develop, or you want to know more about services offered by FAPC, call 405-744-6071 or go to fapc.biz.